wow. And then I found one time I was there, I was running. Even I just went through the ball. I just fly away all the birds away. All of them just fly away I cannot just walk. I just catch one. The story is done. That's why he just run catch the bird. Yeah. No good. To chase the birds, but it was too far to get them. And I got to the birds were too fast to get it. When I was running to chase the birds, I just fell down. Then I almost catch the birds. One time I was running up there and against the top, and I told him, talking again, talking Yakoy, we went to that Martin and Yakoy were on that other side, and then I did not want to chase the birds, so we looked at the whole lake over there. And then I got so hot, and it was too far to get back. When I was running, I saw the lake over there. Then I heard something.